Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel where I'm going to be chronicling my journey with Differin. This is 1 week of... There's my dog. This is 1 week on Differin. Yay! I've made it. I have made it through week 1. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the condition of my skin. I have pictures from every single day. Every night after I would wash my makeup off and my sunscreen, I would go ahead and take a front-facing picture and then a picture from each side so that you can see the changes my skin went through each and every day. What I have been using is Differin Gel 0.1% Adapalene. Now this is the 1.6 ounce container. The reason I got such a big one is because people say that you should give Differin about 3 months or 12 weeks to really start working on your skin and see if you have the results that you hope to achieve. So they do sell it in a smaller bottle, but I went ahead and got the 1.6 ounce because people said that should last about 3 months. As for the price, I believe this was about $28 US on Target's website. So how you use it is you just want to take a very small pea-sized amount, and then I dot that all over my face, and then I rub it in all over the affected areas. After letting the Differin sit on my skin for a little while, I do follow it up with a moisturizer. A lot of people say they have some issues with dry, red, flaky skin on Differin. Luckily, I've never had an issue with sensitive skin. My skin's pretty okay with whatever I put on it, but just in case I had any of those problems, I did go ahead and purchase a moisturizer that was highly recommended to put on afterwards. It's going to be the CeraVe in the tub. This is the moisturizing cream. It has hyaluronic acid and it is fragrance free. So if you are someone that suffers from sensitive skin, I highly recommend you give this moisturizer a try. For the daytime, I do use a different moisturizer. It's one that I have been using for a really long time. And if you're anyone that is... That's my dog. If you are anyone that frequents the Asian beauty subreddit, then I'm sure you've heard of this product. This is the Maison Multifunction Formula All-in-One Snail Repair Cream. All hail the snail. Guys, I thought it was a little crazy when I first started seeing products popping up with snail mucus in them, but I'm telling you, it's great. So yeah, nighttime, I do a pea-sized amount of Differin, then I do the CeraVe in the tub, and then in the morning, I use the Maison All-in-One Snail Repair Cream. Also, sunscreen. Sunscreen is incredibly important if you're on Differin or any other retinoid, or really, if you have skin. Every day you should honestly be applying sunscreen, especially if you're very fair-skinned like I am. The sunscreen that I use, I actually got in an Ipsy bag a couple years ago and fell in love with it. It is this one, the Bare Republic Mineral Sunscreen Lotion. It is SPF 30 broad spectrum, and it is a physical sunscreen. So if you are someone that does not like chemical sunscreens, I highly recommend this one. It isn't greasy, it doesn't have that sunscreen feel, honestly, and it does not leave a white cast on my face. The active ingredients are titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. You want to play? Get it. And that's my dog. But yeah, so like I said, every night after I take my makeup off, I have been applying my Differin, and then I do take pictures. So right here, I'm going to insert pictures from every single day. So as you can see from those pictures, the Differin did bring some whiteheads to the surface, but I didn't really have any flaky skin except for my lips. There's a couple pictures where you can see my lips do get a little dry, but it's nothing a little chapstick can't handle. And this is my bare face today. The only thing I have on my face is the all-in-one snail repair cream and that Bare Minerals sunscreen that I mentioned. So if you guys want to keep up with my journey and follow me along into week 2, then please subscribe. Thanks!